The first step to solving the circuit is to read the entire question. The second step is to identify what the question is asking. Well, it's asking for the voltage drop across each of the resistors, and we know the resistors are in parallel. So the third step is to draw the circuit if it's a word problem. So we'll just draw the parallel circuit. And R1 is 18 ohms, and R2 is 56 ohms. The next step is to use our chart. We know that the total voltage is 5 volts, and we know the two resistance values, 18 ohms and 56 ohms. So now we can use our characteristics of a DC series circuit, which states that Vt equals V1 equals V2 equals V3. So we know that R1 is 5 volts and R2 is 5 volts. We can find out our resistance using the product over the sum method, which is 18 ohms times 56 ohms divided by 18 ohms plus 56 ohms, which is 1008 ohms divided by 74 ohms, and that equals 13.62 ohms. So now we can write that here. Notice how this resistance, the total resistance, is smaller than the smallest resistor in a parallel circuit. Next step is we can find current using Ohm's law. So this would be 0.28 amps. The next one would be 0.089 amps, or you could say 89 milliamps. And the total current for the circuit is 0.37 amps. Now to find power, we can use V squared over R, we could use I squared times R, or we could use voltage times current. So power equals V times I. So we can do the first one, 5 times 0.28 amps, and that equals 1.4 watts. The second one is 5 times 0.089 amps, which is 0.45 watts, giving us a total of 1.85 watts. Now we can verify our answer by taking 5 volts times 0.37 amps, and it should equal 1.85 amps, or sorry, 8.5 watts, completing our answer and checking it.